We're here at a primary school delivering one of our Creative Challenge Days. We have trained the Year 6s to deliver our fantastic creative spaghetti maths activities to the Year 3s.
I've really enjoyed today because it's something a bit different than what we usually do, and being in the teacher's shoes, it helped me sort of learn. And teaching the Year 3 and 4s, they've learned as much as I have.
They've been looking at making specific activities which look at reaction speeds, building shapes such as tetrahedrons and squares and rhombuses, and the first activity was building an 8-sided shape and looking at vertices and edges.
I like it when you pull the string and then it forms together.
I've enjoyed doing the pop-out octahedron because I think it was really fun to play with and it was really cool to look at.
I think they've appreciated being out of the classroom. They've used physically, they've been making things, which is absolutely fantastic. We encourage the use of concrete materials throughout the days when we're working and planning with the children, and they've thoroughly enjoyed that.
I really enjoyed it today because we got to do something fun with teaching people, and we didn't have to do anything boring.
Well, the feedback from particularly from some of the Year 6s and a few of the Year 5s is that they're having a fantastic time. They're really enjoying working with the younger children, working specifically and very closely with children they wouldn't normally work with has given them an opportunity to build their self-confidence. Enlisting the help from yourself and Andy through the morning has given them that confidence to move forward with the activities without having too much support from other members of staff.
I used to find maths quite weird, I don't know why though, but it's now I think it's really fun.
It's been fantastic having spaghetti maths in this morning, really engaging the pupils and the students in the word go. The Year 5s especially have really risen to the challenge with the support of the Year 6s, and they've got an awful lot from it.